EVAX stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. With Evaxion Biotech, we're sitting at $3.66, 16.25% down. And just observing this, honestly, I'm what? I have my drawings from a higher time perspective, right? Seems like there's like a split took us or whatever. Yeah, we had like a decent split here, 1 to 110. We were like right there, but EVAX doesn't change the fact, you know, 5 million market cap. Looking at what we have here, just like a bearish market for me, to be very honest with you. Meaning these lows, these next lows that I'm aiming for, have the supply area here. That's but tapped. It's not that I'm even like willing to trade this, because like there's really nothing in it for me. Maybe at the top if I saw my proper rules being met, but right now not really. So if it does come higher and if it does show me my proper double break, then and only then I'm going to take things low. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.